Okay, I got more China mail. These are my last two until hopefully tomorrow. So I'm going to open them up. These are both from Wish, I think. I haven't had too much money lately, so I buy the cheap ones from Wish. You know, if you spend enough time on there, you really can find some nice deals. So this is all wrapped in bubble wrap. It feels very, very thick. Like there's a lot in here. Here's Phoebe sitting here. She likes to be in the video. Charlie's behind the camera, marching around, digging up as much as he can. And Phoebe's just showing off, and she feels, if she feels neglected, she'll bring me a toy for me to throw. There we go. Let me move this one out of the way while I open this one. Look out, Phoebe. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. No, 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 no. Oh, Charlie's gonna come see too. They like the way the China packages smell for some reason. It's new for them. Oh, there's two. I got two in one package. And this is a 30 by 40. Now, I'm not saying this is a bad thing, but you can tell the cheaper canvases because they have the clear plastic on them. And a lot of people hate that, but I don't mind it. I just keep peeling it up until when I reach a point where it just won't stick anymore. That's when I rip it off and finish the painting. So this is, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. You know, they say do it and then step back. If you can see, it's like a teacup with flowers, but this was the largest size they had, 30 by 40, and it just looks pixelated. Sometimes I really like the way they turn out. Even if it's pixelated, I like the colors and stuff, but I don't know. We'll have to see. Now I've got two packages of drills, and I don't know which is which. YTG067. Oh, that's this one. So there's no inventory sheet. There's just these prepackaged things of drills. So we're just gonna hope. How about if we count the colors? There's 25 colors. So even though it's a 30 by 40, there's 25 colors. That's pretty good. It'll be fun to do. And I'm more about the doing than getting it done. Like I do this, I started this for therapy on my hand because the constant repetition is really helping my arm. And so I don't fret too much about getting them done. I have fun doing them. All right, 25. So let's start at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, I can already smell these. Ugh. What is that sour smell? 10, 11, 12, and 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I have all the colors. I I don't like the smell, but you know, putting a dryer sheet not only helps with the static. I put a dryer sheet into my container with the drills, and it really makes them smell nice. And you can go find some real pretty smelling dryer sheets too. They have the special flavors, Mountain Breeze flavors. Don't eat them. Scents. So this kit just came with one piece of wax, the standard green boat, and the standard pink pen. No bags, so that's good. I don't have to throw them away. So I put the drills and the tools together in a baggie, and then I get my P-Touch out. What should I call this? Floral Teapot, that's what I'll call it. Floral Teapot print. This is how I keep all of mine. I lay my canvases flat, and then I put all the drills and things together. So even if I want to go somewhere, I can grab this bag. And I will probably have used one of my little kits of containers, like this one. Oops. Or these, and I'll number them and put the drills in and put them in the bag too, so that everything is together. I pull out the canvas and I can find the bag with what the image is, and then I put the, oh, it's sticking funny, put the, oh gosh, put the label, there we go, on the bag, so it says Floral Teapot, and then I put this with all my other drills, and this will go up in my closet to lay flat. You know, even though these ones with the clear plastic, people don't like them as much, they tend to come in pretty good condition, I've noticed. Oh, I remember this one. This is a flower. It's kind of Art Nouveau, I guess. Just really pretty. It's full drill, round, also 30 by 40, and it's an iris. I think you will be able to see it better when it's done. I don't like looking at the image on the canvas and deciding whether I like it or not. You really need to do the painting to see. Because there's red on here, but that color may not be the same color red. It may be a beautiful magenta. And these drills are all packaged inside a plastic bag, which is a little weird. I don't know why they double bagged it, but okay. There are 20 colors. Again, with the smell, I can smell them. 1, 2, 3. This is weird how they packed it. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me put these in the bag. My hand's getting full. 12. 13, 14, 15. Oh, I like these pinks. Very pretty. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, they're all here. So I have 3 new diamond paintings. I got 2 and then I got 1. And I'm going to call this simply Iris. I really like the florals. I'm drawn to the flowers. I guess I just, you know, I like them in real life. I like them in my paintings. They make me happy and they're full of the colors I prefer, which are pinks and purples. So, but I also like the mystical things. I don't know. I like the elves and the fairies. Big fan of teapots. I hate peeling Brother P-Touch labels. Okay. It says Iris. I had tools for this. Oh, it's down on the floor. Of course. Puppies are wandering around. What are you doing down there, BB? Did I put a canvas where you normally sit? Here it is, same company, 2 paintings, so 2 of the exact same tools. Okay, that's it for these 2. I will put links in the comments. Feel free to ask me any questions. And have a great day.